Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the US dollar index is actually pushing up very hard this morning at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. Now, if this does make a higher low, which it looks like it is, then I would have to say this is potentially like a wave A, and this would be like a wave B, and potentially we're going to go all the way up for a wave C, and then maybe we'll get another big push to the downside, or perhaps we'll make a much bigger leg to the upside. Either way, it looks like we're going up right now for potentially either a wave C or maybe even potentially a wave 3. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely still have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. These Fibonacci levels should be areas of resistance on the way up. So if you do get to one of these levels and it does start to pull back, maybe it could give you a possible pullback entry on one of these dollar pairs. But it definitely looks like, at least for now, the dollar is going bullish. And if it's going up for a wave C or a wave 3, it potentially will stay bullish at least for a few days, I would imagine. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.